So you want to get paid to review products at home. In this video, I'm going to show you a system in which you make money telling other people what you already love, your hobbies, your passions, the things that you already like to buy. You make a commission off each sale. This is the way that most people are making money online right now. It's a little known system called affiliate marketing. It's turned average people into millionaires with a little bit of hard work and dedication. You can start your own business at home without having to buy any inventory, without having to hire any employees, and by only putting in about an hour or two of work a day. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a link in the description below that'll take you to a free web class. So I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, then make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that like button and let YouTube know that you want to see more videos like this. Now you may be thinking, where do I get my products? One of the best ways for beginners to start getting products is to go through an affiliate network. The reason being is because affiliate networks don't do a whole lot of research into who you are, what you're about, whether you're a beginner, advanced, or intermediate. It's very easy to be approved for an affiliate network to start moving products. So one of the most popular affiliate networks for a beginner to get into is called clickbank.com. You can go down here and see how many different categories there is for products in ClickBank. There's tons of them. So let's say you consider yourself a cook. You can go down here to cooking, food, and wine. So think about this. You could potentially have a YouTube channel or an Instagram feed or something where you're showing people how to cook different recipes and things like that, and you could just promote some of these products on the back end. Now typically with me, I like to sell high ticket products. I like to sell products that are fairly expensive. So I would take this and I would go by average sale, average dollar per sale, and I'd go high to low to see which ones are the most expensive ones to sell. This one here, you make $136 per sale. And this one's called Kiko's Cake and Pastry Friends. So you can click here and you can actually see the website you'd be sending somebody to. Now honestly, this looks a little cheap for my taste. Like obviously the product's not cheap. It was $100 and some every sale, but I don't know, there's something about this doesn't look very professional to me. I think we can do a lot better. So I'm going to click on this anabolic cooking muscle building, whatever this thing is. This looks a little bit better to me. This looks like a bit of a workout type recipe. This doesn't look half bad. You see they're featured in Iron Man magazine, Men's Health, so not too shabby. This looks a little bit more professional than the other one we looked at. So if I was in the cooking niche, especially if I was like teaching people how to get fit, this is something that I would consider promoting. Now if that's still not something that you're into, the whole ClickBank thing, what a lot of people do is they come over here to Amazon, and Amazon actually has one of the biggest affiliate programs in the world, if not the biggest. You would just scroll down here to Amazon's website, and you would click on right here where it says become an affiliate. So now you can see become an affiliate, earn up to 10% advertising fees, blah blah blah. Their affiliate program doesn't pay a whole ton, but if you're just doing this to kind of make money off your hobbies, then this is a great way to go. So think about this. Any single product that is on the Amazon website, any one of them, and you know they have like thousands and thousands of products, if not more than that, you could potentially promote any product on here and make a commission every time somebody buys one. So the possibilities with that are endless. So just as an example of a top affiliate marketer, here's a guy named Franklin Hatchett. Okay, you can see here his YouTube channel. He's a top affiliate for a lot of different companies. Starting with like Shopify. You see the Shopify logo right here. Shopify is an e-commerce store website where people can set up their stores and people can start doing this process called drop shipping, or they can sell their own products. What he does is teach people how to run their business through Shopify, and he's an affiliate for Shopify. So when he sends someone over to Shopify to sign up for a trial and become members and stuff, he makes commissions for that. Now he's obviously moved on from that, and he's started teaching a lot of different ways to make money online. But all the different ways that he teaches people how to make money, he usually refers some type of product or service in the process of teaching people how to do these things. And by doing so, he's making money as an affiliate. You can see in the photo here that he's holding the 2 Comma Club award. This is an award that's handed out by a company called ClickFunnels for people who make $1 million through their service. So through ClickFunnels as an affiliate, he's made over $1 million, which is incredible. So just wanted to show an example here of a top affiliate. His business is mostly affiliate marketing, and he recommends it all day, every day to people getting started, just like I do. Now, what you're not going to do is have like overnight success. If you can see even his channel, it goes back far, right? Like, he's made videos for a long time on YouTube teaching people how to make money online. So it does take a lot of time, right? It takes a lot of effort, just like with any other business. But this is just to show you that it is legit. People make millions doing this, okay? So it does exist, but it is not overnight success. It is not overnight riches. It is not get rich quick. So if you're in that mindset, then you need to find something else, because affiliate marketing is very lucrative, very rewarding, but it does take a lot of time and effort, okay? So if you're ready to work and put in some hours each day towards, building your affiliate marketing empire, then you can be somebody like this who's $1 million earner. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a full breakdown in this video right here, or you can click on the link in the description below where you can get a free class on affiliate marketing. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.